Hi guys, welcome back to my channel to another episode. Today we'll be making this delicious roasted yam. So delicious. Yeah, look at that smoke popping out of that yam. So without wasting much of your time, we'll go ahead and get right into this yam recipe. All right guys, so today we'll be making roasted yam, and I'm using this my little toaster. So I would really love to toast this big one, but since my toaster is not that big and it's not even gonna contain this one, okay, so I might be going with the little size. So this is the little size of out of the yam. I have couple more yam, but this is the littlest, like the smallest among all the yam that I have. So I'm wearing gloves because the yam is dirty, and I don't want to start washing my hands because my hands are getting too dry. My hands are getting too dry from frequent washing. Okay, so that's why I'm putting on the gloves so I can just take them out and toss them away once I am done. So I'm going to like clean this place up, and here is my toaster. I'm gonna bring this a little closer right there. And I've tried it before. Okay, I've tried this yam. This one could not, you see, if I should put it, it can't, the toaster cannot close. Even the second one, this one is even bigger, so it wouldn't fit in. So that's why I'm going with this small one. So this is the only one that could easily fit inside the toaster or the grill. So I'll go ahead and wash this to wash off all the dust. There's a lot of dust in it, so I'll wash them off a little bit. So the yam is all washed and clean. I just want to deal with the yam, not yam and dust or too many dust. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this off because the toaster already get so many dirt from the yam. So I'll just go ahead and place this in there. Okay, so this is the only one that can perfectly fit inside. So guys, baking the yam as a whole or broiling the yam as a whole is not the only option. So the last time I did this, I kind of sliced my yam up this way because more people wanted to eat, so I have to like slice it up this way, and that way I can get a good amount of yam broiled or baked at the same time without doing it little by little. So I just want to show you guys, you can do it as a whole or you can slice it up this way at once if you're making for many people. So I'll go ahead and place this on the broil. So I will be putting it right there. So this is for toast, bake, and then broil. So I want it to be like there. And then for the temperature, I want it to be at 350. Not overheat, not too low, not too high, just at the middle. Then I'll go ahead and put this at the medium. Okay, that's just the setting. So that's the setting. I'll go ahead and plug this on, and then it just automatically starts by itself. I don't need to press anything. So let it sit here for a couple hours. It might take like 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, because the yam is not that big. It's not really that big, so this should be done by 1.5 hours. Okay, that's 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like once it's done cooking. So while the yam is cooking, we can as well go ahead and make the sauce we'll be using to eat this yam. All right, so for this roasted yam or broiled yam, I'll be using hot peppered sauce for the yam. So I'm not showing you guys the full recipe at this video because I don't want the video to be too long. I try to make the videos short. So if you really want to see the recipe for this hot peppered sauce, please feel free to check it out. I'll be putting the link at the description section so you can check that out as well. Okay, yeah, so The sauce is so delicious. I made two different kind of sauce, the red one, and also I made the green one. Yeah, so this is the first sauce that I just made while I'm waiting for the yam to be done. Yeah, so at this time we'll go ahead, the sauce is ready. I'll set that aside. I'll go ahead and check back on the yam. All right, so look at that, it looks so good and it tastes so amazing as well. All right guys, the yam has been cooking, or it has been broiling for about 40 minutes now. Okay, and before that, after 20 minutes, I kind of flip it over. So it's important, very important, that you flip up the yam back and forth. Don't keep it on one spot. It's kind of hot, so this side is really soft right now. So I'll go ahead and place it on this side, okay, for a few more minutes, for another 10 minutes or so, okay, because it's almost done. All right guys, so go ahead and check on the yam. It's completely cooked at this point. It's cooked for about 1 hour. It cooked less than I thought. I thought it was gonna stay more than 1 hour, but the yam was completely cooked in 1 hour because it's not a big yam. It's not really, the yam is not really that big, so it cooked less than I thought. So I'll go ahead and slice this open, and voila, look at that smoke. And part of the yam, the head part, seems to like it's kind of bad. Yeah, that's why when I buy yam, I don't like keeping it out for so long. So it's been like a week now that I bought a carton of yam. So now that I'm seeing that the yam is about going bad, I'll go ahead and prep the yam and put them in my freezer. And then yeah, so I'll use whatever I need to use at this point. If I need to bake or do anything, I'll go ahead and use that. And then the remaining part of the yam, I will be prepping them and putting them in my freezer. If you want to see the video I made how to preserve your yam, please check it out. Look at that. Can you see that smoke? How the smoke just popping right there, like piping smoke coming out of that yam. And this yam tastes so amazing. It just came out of the shell so easily. But sometimes I like to eat the strong shells. So what I'm going to do is just to use the knife and scrape off the back of the yam and enjoy myself. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for this recipe for today. I hope you enjoy watching. I will see you all on my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.